Yawning is a fascinating phenomenon that we all experience. But have you ever wondered why we do it? It's not just a sign of boredom or sleepiness. Research suggests that yawning helps regulate brain temperature, keeping it cool and functioning optimally. When we yawn, we take in a deep breath, which increases oxygen flow and helps remove carbon dioxide. This can boost alertness and improve focus, especially during those long study sessions. Interestingly, yawning is also contagious. Seeing someone yawn can trigger the same response in you. This social aspect may have roots in our evolutionary past, promoting group alertness. So, the next time you find yourself yawning, remember, it's not just a sign of fatigue. It's your brain's way of staying sharp and connected.